Hi everyone, Ben Jones here. I'm just taking a quick little break from recording AI literacy fundamentals here in our home studio. And I wanted to say hello to our newsletter subscribers, our social media followers. I hope your year is off to a great start. You know, I think for us, 2024 is very much going to be the year of incorporating AI into data literacy. So the idea is going to be helping you speak the language of data and AI, not just data. The concepts go hand in hand. You can't have AI without data. And certainly in today's world, understanding what we know about data is going to be so useful to apply to our appreciation for AI. So the course that we're working on right now and the book that'll go along with it, what is that all about? Well, just kind of really in brief, we're going to take you on a tour through AI, help you understand what it is, give you an appreciation for where the field has been, where it is today, maybe talk a bit about where it's going. There's a lot of hype and fear mongering out there about AI, so we're going to try to cut through some of that noise, give you a balanced perspective about the benefits as well as the harms. We'll bust some myths and misconceptions along the way and just give you a better appreciation and understanding that way. All right, so that's all for today. Again, I hope you all are doing well. Looking forward to hearing your thoughts about this course and book when it comes out. In the meantime, if you want to sign up, follow the link in the chat here below or on the page where you find this video, and you should see a little form to put your name in there so you'll be the first to know about beta testing and when the course comes out and things like that. All right, take care everyone. Hope to see you soon. Bye now.